Happy birthday, Mama Mirna. Wishing you good health, always good health. We hope you guys are doing good there. We miss you guys, so I hope you could visit us soon and see how big Weedy and Shaif are already. And Mama misses you a lot too, so I hope you could visit us soon. So again, happy birthday!
Hi Mama Mirna! Happy birthday! I hope you guys are doing okay. Hope to see you soon!
Happy birthday, Mama Mirna! We hope that you can come home soon. We're waiting for you. Yeah, and visit Papa G's. We're waiting